the little spark that started their days. Emma always wanted to start her mornings with energy, while Liam preferred a slow start with coffee and a pastry. Their mornings often felt chaotic. By the afternoon, both were exhausted. Exercising together seemed impossible, and quick takeout became the default dinner. One evening, Liam quietly said, "What if we really start taking care of ourselves?" Emma looked surprised, as if he'd read her mind. They each tried small things on their own, Emma with yoga videos, Liam with workout apps. But soon, they realized it was easier together. Looking for guidance, they found Punto de Partida Día 1, a kit with 5 nutrition products designed for an easy start. Is it too expensive for both of us? They wondered, but comparing it with their usual coffee and snack expenses made the decision easier. For the first time, it wasn't just your plan or my plan. It was our first step towards something better. The first morning with their new smoothie felt different, light, playful, and full of hope. With more energy, they went for a walk together. 2 separate steps were slowly becoming one shared path. Emma and Liam discovered that taking care of themselves wasn't a sacrifice. It was a gift they could enjoy together. For them, it was Punto de Partida Día 1,